So good morning, students. Today we have to do lesson 2, that is a light for the palace fire. And it is written here anonymous. What do you mean by it? I have told you earlier also, anonymous means we don't know who has written this. So before starting the story, I want to tell you, in this story, you will get the moral that you should be kind and generous, means you have to share things with others. So do good, have good. First of all, listen the story, then you will came to know who was generous in this story, kind and generous. So let's start. And with the animation also, I will show you the lines. Okay, story, whole story. Long time ago, there was a huge palace at the top of a hill. So, a long time ago means this is a story. For long years back, there was a huge palace at the top of a hill. Huge palace means a big house, a very big house. Okay, in that king or queen lives. That was at the top of a hill. And fire always burned in the palace and kept it warm. So, just see this. A fire always burned in the palace and kept it warm. As long years, this is a story of long years back. So at that time, there was no electricity. So fire is burned, kept always burned in the palace so that it will give light and warmth to the palace. So that's why it was the most useful fire in the palace. That's why it was considered as the most useful fire in the palace, क्योंकि उसकी वजह से ही लाइट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो नहीं थी, तो ड्यू टू दैट फायर इट गिव light and warmth to the palace. Now see this, a fire always burned in the palace. It was the most useful fire in the palace. One day the fire suddenly stopped burning and no one was able to light it again. So what happened? So one day what happened? The fire suddenly stopped burning. A fire suddenly stopped burning. Just see. One day the fire suddenly stopped burning. So as the fire always burned in the palace, but one day it stopped burning and no one was able to light it again. So no one was able to light it again in the palace. So people are very worried in the palace that who will light it again. So people said that, and all the people, they are conversing and just saying to each other that the fire has finished, that we have lost the fire, because the people in the palace were always calling. Just see, some people are saying that we have lost the fire because people in the palace were always calling, means fighting with each other. What do you mean by calling? Means fighting with each other. That's why we have lost the fire. That's why the fire had died. Fire finished. Ki aag bujh gayi hai. Others said that it had gone. And some people, others said that it had gone because the winter that year was very cold. And some people said that it had gone because the winter that year, because that year was very cold. That winter it was very cold. And some people are saying that fire was finished, fire had died, means stopped burning due to the very cold weather that year. And some people are saying that due to these people are fighting with each other, that's why the fire stopped burning. So everyone in the palace, just see this, everyone in the palace was freezing and longed for the fire to burn. So everyone in the palace was freezing as that year was very cold. Freezing means it was too cold, बहुत ही ठंडा हो गया था और fire भी नहीं जल रही थी, and they longed for means they all prayed and wished the fire to burn again. And they all want the fire will come back again to the palace. So as the winter that year was very cold, so it will give warmth and light to the palace. So what happened then? The king ordered his messenger. What do you mean by messenger? Messenger means the people who carries messages. Okay, and the king ordered his messenger to go down the hill road. And if you see, and what the king ordered his messenger? The king ordered his messenger to go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, and the king ordered his messenger to take the help from the people who are just living down the hill. That and can ask for some embers. What do you mean by embers? Embers means the burning coal, the burning pieces of coal that you will take from the, you go down the hill, and those who are having that burning coal, you will take that coal and just bring back to the palace so that we can able to light a fire in this way. Embers means the burning coal, that you will take some embers, burning coal from the, for the palace. You have to go down the hill and ask people. So the king is telling to the messenger, and he is saying that maybe we. So the messenger with the big iron lantern for holding coal set off in the, okay, he set off in that bitter cold. So see, the messenger is going with the lantern in his hand. Lantern means a lamp with a handle to carry the burning coal. As the king has told him to bring the embers, burning coal in this lantern, so he has taken this lantern to take the coal in this lantern, okay, for holding coal. This is the lantern to keep the coal in it. And he set off. Set off means started his journey down the hill to take that burning coal. And the bitter cold means it was too cold. That's why the word is used. Bitter cold means too cold at that time. And he just is going down the hill for taking the coal in this bitter cold. A light for the palace fire, he called as he went. And when he was going, what he is saying, a light for the palace fire. And what he's saying, who will give me some coal to light the fire? Here is some glowing coal for you. So what he was saying when he was going down the hill, he was saying a light for the palace fire. And who will help me and give me some coal to light the palace fire? As there was no light in the palace fire, so he wants some coal for the palace fire. Then what happened? A man. Here is some glowing coal for you, said a man. What a man said when he was saying that who will help me and give me some coal for the palace fire? Then one man said, okay, I will give some glowing coal for you. Glowing coal means burning coal for you for the palace. But tell the king. Now what he is saying, but tell the king that I want gold pieces in return for these lumps of, what he want in return? He wants some gold pieces in return for these lumps of coal. And he wants some in return for this, for giving this burning coal. But he want gold pieces in return for these pieces of coal. So what happened then? Just see the story. As he is asking for gold pieces in return, and so the messenger put the coal, and messenger put the coal in his lantern, and he started going back to the palace. And messenger is going, messenger has put the coal inside his lantern and turned to go back to the palace. So what happened then? However, when he was going, the coal soon turned cold and grey, and he had to throw it away. So when he was going back to the palace by taking that burning coal, what happened? The coal stopped burning again. That burning coal, the pieces of coal that he has taken, जो उसने लिया था अपने लैंटर्न में डाला था ना, जलता हुआ कोयला, तो वो क्या हो गया, वो बुझ गया and turned into grey ash, वो राख बन गया. Then he had thrown it away. He had to search for burning coal once again. So now he had to go for search for burning coal once again. उसको दोबारा फिर सर्च के लिए जाना पड़ा कि कहीं से उसको कोल मिल जाए, बर्निंग कोल मिल जाए. Now he is going again in search. Then a woman called Gina agreed to give him some coal from her fireplace. Then, first of all, the man is giving coal, but he wants something in return, gold pieces in return. Then next, who agreed to give him some coal from her fireplace? A woman called Gina agreed to give him some coal from her fireplace. She also, however, just see, she also wants something in return. She wanted the king to make her father the captain of the guards. What she want? She want her father to be the captain of the guards. That if she give the burning coal to the messenger, and she is saying that you have to convey to king that I want my father to be the captain of the guards. Then I will give the coal. Then again the messenger took that burning coal from Jina's fireplace, and then he put that in his lantern, and then again set off, means started his journey back to the palace. Set off for the palace means started his journey again for the palace. Again this time, however, soon he saw that the coal from Jina's fireplace was no longer burning. Now this time also what happened? It had turned to grey ash. Okay, this time also when he had taken the, उसने फिर से वहां से बर्निंग कोल लिया और फिर से क्या हो गया, it turned to grey ash. Again it stopped burning, the lumps, the pieces of coal that he had taken, and it turned to grey ash. तो फिर से राख में बदल गया. We will continue this chapter